9 degrees and a strong westerly wind. It's pretty chilly. I don't know how many more days I'm going to get on the road, but I'll keep at it till it drives me indoors. Trees in town starting to lose their leaves a lot now. A lot of brown. Today I'm wearing my Cycle Track UK jersey. It's quite thin, so I have a t-shirt on underneath, but at least the long arms help a bit. Boy, it's cold. It's pretty grey, and it looks like I might just get home before the rain. This is a pretty little bit of path, even with hardly any leaves on the trees and bushes. And into the trees for the final leg. Really does look like I would just get home in time.